know Fund and Grow is a company that gets you access to money, not tacking your personal credit, but more like lines of credit. I understand that it is an advantage to have money in your back pocket to create that empire that you're trying to build in real estate. If you're looking for an investment, what I would highly recommend is buying and holding real estate. You know, real estate is one of those things in life that everybody needs. It's an essential. And there is no more land being made in our country. So if you can get your hands on a single family residence that you can buy and hold it for a very long time and cash flow while you're doing it, that's the route to the future. And that's the way that you can create epic wealth. Here's what I will say about the trends that are transpiring in our world as we speak. The one thing that you can do is prepare yourself for any type of recession, possibly, or collapse in the market, or maybe even a height in real estate. My suggestion, and what I always say, is if you have rentals that you're holding, even if the economy is to collapse tomorrow, because let's face it, none of us have a crystal ball, if you have a rental that you can rent, people are always going to need a roof over their head. So why not jump into a rental right now when the market is somewhat unpredictable and just hold that asset, because real estate is not going out of fashion. Fund and grow.